Well, good morning, friends. Welcome to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah. If you are watching from YouTube, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell, and hop on over to Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah on Facebook and join us live each week. I just realized the way the lighting's hitting, I have like this big shadow. You guys can enjoy it. I got my cowgirl hat on. I am just back from Texas. It was so fun. I like Texas. I've been down there before, but this was like a really fun trip, and I got this fun cowgirl hat, so I had to come wear it for you guys because we're gonna round up some scones today. Hey, Dina. Good morning. Oh, I should log in so I can see you guys. Let's do that. All right, how is everybody? If you're joining me, say hello, say good morning. I have my full attire on for you guys today. I'm ready. You guys, I gotta tell you something. Guess what I did? Okay, I can't find us. We're somewhere here. All right. I don't know. My internet's being slow. Of course it is. Why not? Oh, you're going to work? Maybe. Okay, let's see. Good morning. When we were in Nashville, my friend bought the same hat. You guys, this hat. We saw, okay, you know, we went to the stockyards, which is super, super fun if you've been in Fort Worth. And oh my gosh, thank you to all the ladies who came out to visit. That was so fun at the cafe. And my husband had a great time too. He's the best husband ever. And anyways, we went to the stockyard, and it was so funny. I told my husband that I did not want to spend $50 on a hat because they're just like so expensive there. And so anyways, the first one he picked up and put on me was $50. And I'm like, I can't do it. And then we went and found this one, and it was $25. And I was like, okay, I want it. It's mine. So here it is. It came all the way home with me. And so now I get to be a cowgirl. Oh, I've been farming, you guys. I just started farming. Since we got home, I started farming, and I have a whole herd of fruit flies right over here in the kitchen. A whole herd of them, you guys. I'm doing great. That was a really lame joke. Oh, please laugh at my corny jokes. You could just feel sad for me later. Oh, goodness. Okay, see, my husband's the funny one, and I try, and it's just not that funny. He cracks, what are they, the dad jokes? He's the dad jokes guy. Okay. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Mary, Jackie. Who else is here? Thank you for laughing, Jackie. Thank you. Bless you. Your day is going to be abundant because you laughed at my corny joke. Okay. My girls are laughing at me right here. They're like, wow, Mom, you're extra. Okay, can I just point out, though, this is straight up Minnesotan, there you go. Because, first off, I need to move to Texas from January to May because it is very, 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 very cold up here. So that's when I'm going to move to Texas, is January to May. But look, this is how the Minnesotan cowgirls are. I've got my cowgirl hat, and I've got my plaid on. But look, sweatpants, no jeans. Come on, you feeling it? How about you, Texas ladies? Maybe you could throw some sweatpants on. We could be twinning. Okay. Oh, thanks, Sherry. Good morning. Windsor, good morning. All right. Okay, let's do this. You guys ready? Lemon cranberry. It's so easy. It comes together just like the pumpkin one, you guys. And it's delicious, so I warn you. I hope you love it too. Guess what? Okay. You're not going to believe this. I was thinking lemon cranberry for you guys. And I am telling you, the Lord put a mysterious bag of cranberries in my freezer. It was hiding in the back. I'm telling you, the Lord just put it there. And I was like, because I haven't been able to find cranberries at the store yet. But this is from like 1 year ago. I got a whole bunch from Costco. If you wait till the end of the season, they're selling these bags for like $3. And this is, you guys, this is huge. This is 2 pounds of cranberries. And anyways, they keep forever in your freezer. So once you see them, if you want to buy up a bunch or wait till the end of the season and snag up all the deals, it's a great idea. Also, I did go grocery shopping last night, and I saw that Trader Joe's has cranberries. So you're probably seeing them pop up in the stores. I did check on my phone. I took a picture of when the cranberries came in stock at Costco, and it was November 1st. So if you're a Costco girl, hold on tight because November 1st is about the time that they start showing up. And maybe you guys have seen them. So if you have been to Costco and you have seen cranberries, just throw your hand up and let us know because we want to know. So Minnesota, I have not seen cranberries just yet, but I'm anticipating them in the next 2-3 weeks. So if you don't have your cranberries yet, hold tight, they're coming. All right. Good morning, Bethany. Who else is here? Good morning, Patty. Oh, thank you. Oh, that was almost like Minnesotan cowgirl. They were at Fred Meyer's, Bethany says. Okay, that's super good to know. Good morning, Catherine. Hello, friends. You bought a bunch of cranberries last year, but your freezer quit and you lost them. Sherry, that's so sad. Hopefully this year's your year. All right, good morning, Lisa. Okay, let's do this. I got my coffee, and then I'm going to have my scone, so I'm excited. Okay, and I'm going to link the recipe for you guys as soon as we're done. So if you're like, where's this recipe? I'm linking all the details for you. So this is, again, a one. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I got to grab one thing. One bowl. You just need one bowl. And I'm going to use my epicure. You can use, if you have whatever epicure thing, if you want to use silicone, this is the easiest way because it just pops right out. Otherwise, you can put it on parchment paper, on like a paper, or on, you can put it on a paper plate. I meant to say on a plate with parchment paper. I can talk. My daughter's over here eating an egg. Okay, so let's get started. We are going to start with baking blend. So I got my baking blend. And then we are going to add, and that's 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup baking blend. Then we're going to add, oh, I forgot to grab my, I am sort of half here today, you guys. Goodness. I'm going to get it together. Okay, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Karen found some in her freezer too. It's like an early Christmas miracle, Karen. That's awesome. I was so happy. Because, oh, it's so sad. I really didn't think I had any, so I couldn't believe I had some. I was like, thank you, Lord. Okay, now we're going to add a pinch of salt. That looks good. Measure with your heart, friends. Measure with your heart. All right, then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of gentle sweet. Okay, I use the xylitol free, and I'm telling you that because I saw some of your guys' drizzle last week, and I think something happens when you use the one with xylitol. It almost makes it really, really runny. So I'm throwing that out there as a disclaimer. If you don't want it to be super runny, you might want to get yourself a bag of the xylitol free. Okay, so we're going to do 1 tablespoon of gentle sweet. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of, you can do butter. Just have my butter here. I'm going to melt this too. I'm going to melt this in the microwave. So you can do a teaspoon of butter or a teaspoon of coconut oil, and then just do an extra pinch of salt if you use coconut oil. And then we are going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of egg white. Do that. That looks great. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I want to see your guys' if you make it. I want to hear what you think. So post pictures in here. I love seeing when you guys make stuff. It's so fun. Good morning, Terry. Good morning, Valerie. Harvest has begun in Wisconsin. Cranberries should be available soon. Awesome. Thank you for telling us that, Valerie. Okay, so here's my butter. I'm just going to pour that in. Now, let's see what else we need. Is that it? Oh my goodness, that's so easy. That would be, you know those buttons where you go bing? That was easy. We need to hit that. So mix this together. And then we are going to add in our cranberries. Okay, here's a fun fact about cranberries. If you use fresh or frozen cranberries, did you know up to a cup is fuelable? Up to a cup. So there's a little fact. And I like to put a 1/4 cup in here, but if you want to add a little bit more because you like it super cranberry, you can. So it's up to you. But I think a 1/4 cup was like perfect because the cranberries, fresh and frozen, they do have that little tart bite to them. So err on the side of caution. Maybe start with a 1/4 cup and see if you like that. You could always put a couple on top to make it decorative. And I just measure like I'm throwing cranberries everywhere. I just measure like in the palm of my hand is about 1/4 cup. So, I feel like I need 2 more. Just see, you gotta measure with your heart, friends. Okay, now we are gonna mix this in. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Just grab it and we're gonna shape it into a scone. Yeah, do you like scones, Haven? Do you wanna show my friends your cowgirl hat? It's actually a cowboy hat because I know it's Tatum's. He wants you guys to know that we got him. He wants to be a paleontologist, you guys. And so I got him this little kit. Oh, you might have to pick her up. Oh, there she is. Tell me that's not the cutest thing ever. Very cute. You're so cute. Say hi. Can you wave? Wave to my friends. Anyways, I got this little, it's called an excavation kit. I don't recommend it. Parents, I don't recommend it. We had an excavation kit all over the house. And inside is like a surprise, let me wash my hands real quick. Like an animal. But it did make me, I don't know if you guys saw my post on Instagram, but it totally made me think of our health journey. Because my son got tired of digging and digging and digging. He's like, there's nothing here for me. There's nothing here for me. And I'm like, you got to keep digging. And so he's like, well, help me. So I came alongside and I started helping him chisel it out. Soon as he saw that there was, he's like, wait, there's something orange inside. I can see something orange. He was like, whoo! He was all about doing it. So, okay, I'm going to throw this in for 2 minutes. But that reminded me, can you guys see it? Isn't that perfect? So that reminded me that our health journeys are just like that. Sometimes we're trying to figure out what's going on with our bodies and we're chiseling away and we see nothing and we don't see results. It's sort of like you go to the gym one morning and then you come home and you're like, why am I not buff? I don't know. I worked out today. I'm not buff today. And so I got to thinking about that, and sometimes we just you have to keep showing up. It's consistency. You have to keep chiseling. You have to keep showing up. Eventually you will get to where you want to go because you keep showing up. Seriously, it's that simple, you guys. Can I get an amen? Give me an amen. Okay, let's see. I think Eagle River just had their Cranberry Fest, or they will be soon. Haven't seen anything in the paper, but haven't been paying attention to cranberries. Cool, Stacy. I know we're okay. How much Gentle Sweet? Oh, your sound keeps cutting out. Pat, 1 tablespoon. Yes, thank you, Valerie. Valerie put it up there too. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. Okay, so let's make the drizzle while we're talking. So we need another bowl. You know what? I'm gonna get a different bowl. Every time I use white with you guys, the lighting. Look, I'm gonna use green. Then you guys can see it. That'll work. I do love my rainbow bowls from Amazon. This is a gift from Coach Shia. Got me rainbow bowls. Isn't that fun? Goes very well with Ray Hope. Okay, so now we're gonna make the drizzle that goes on top. It's so easy. Start with 3 tablespoons of Gentle Sweet. Again, you guys, if you don't want it to be super runny, get the one that is xylitol free. Oh, I gotta get a different measuring thing. Okay. So, do 3 tablespoons. And now, this part, you gotta eyeball it. Oh, Melissa. Yes, be encouraged. Just keep going. And sometimes you need help and support. So that is where a coach can come in and kind of support you. So think about that, or get an accountability partner or somebody to take a look at your food. It doesn't have to be a coach. It could be a friend. Somebody who's going to be honest with you, though, not somebody who's just going to be like, oh, yeah, and pat your back. You need somebody who's going to give you hard truths, okay? Okay, look at this, you guys. 2 minutes. Oh, do you see the steam coming off? I don't know if you can see that, but woohoo. Okay, let's keep moving. Now we're going to add, it's half, this is really important though, really measure out the lemon juice and then the almond milk. So we're going to do 1 teaspoon of each, but start, I want to grab my other measure. Do I? No, I can flip this one. Yes, I love this one. I can flip it. See, tablespoon on this side, and then it has teaspoon and half teaspoon. It's cool. I have so many. I mean, how many of you guys are guilty of having like a bajillion measuring tools? You have to. It actually makes it fun too. Okay, so start with that. And I am confident I'm gonna need the other teaspoon. I'm very sure. But if you're nervous that it's gonna be too runny, you can always do, start with just the lemon juice and stir that in. Now, my daughter, I made it a couple different ways before this final one, and she really liked it with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, so you can try it that way. It's very, very, very lemony, so I just throw that disclaimer out. If you don't like lemon flavor, that's probably not, don't do that, but if you're like extra punch, you know, a little extra lemon, you could do that. Okay. Hey, Sam. Are you coming to say hi? You need a cowboy hat too. Where's your cowboy hat? My dog would look adorable in a cowboy hat. Okay, so let's mix this and see if I might even add just a touch more. And if you look how thick that is. Can you guys see? There it goes. See, that's pretty thick. So if you don't want it this thick, Coach Linda made this with she did the egg whites from whole eggs, and then she took the egg yolks and made a lemon curd. You could do that. Just Google like a THM lemon curd and you could make one. I did not try it. So if you don't like this icing, I saw a couple of you are like, it's not your thing. That's totally cool. But if you make a lemon curd, it will for sure be an S and not be a fuel pull. This is fuel pull. Okay, I'm gonna just add a very tiny bit more. Let me see. So eyeball, if you don't like the consistency, you can always add more, but you can't undo. So kind of pay attention to that. Okay, cool. This looks perfect. Okay, see, now it's like more, I want it to drizzle on because then it gives it that like really pretty look. Okay, so let's put this on. Oh yeah, look at that, you guys. That is it. So the longer you let this sit, it will harden and this will get, the icing will firm up. So say yeehaw. Say yeehaw. Okay, so otherwise, let's see if I can pick it up for you. It's been only out of the microwave. Yeah, this has only been out of the microwave for, can you guys see this? For just, there's a hair in it. Thank goodness you guys aren't eating it. Goodness. See? Okay, should we try it? Of course we should. Let's have a little nibble. So this is a fuel pull. That is good. All right. Yum. You want to try a bite? Yeah. You want to try a bite of my scone? Yeah. Yeah? Okay, here. Here. Can you bite it? Oh, you took a big old bite. That was a big one. What do you think? Oh, did you do that? She was, It's very good. All right, guys, I'm going to link the recipe for you. I hope this was super helpful. Also, just to let you guys know, I am in the middle of working on my Kids on Plan workshop. I hope you guys will come check it out. It's $47. You get, oh my gosh, I've got ebooks I've been working on for you guys, products that you can get for your kids, recipes that my family loves. This is coming from my personal experience of having 6 kids and how to navigate those waters, and I want to help you. I have something to say about it. And if you were at the summit and you saw that video, I got more. I got more for you guys. So I will also link all the details for the workshop for you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. But I hope you guys go make the lemon scone. Lemon cranberry scone. Have an awesome day. This again is a fuel pull. And if you are watching from YouTube, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell. And I will see you guys again next week in Simply Cooking with Coach Sarah. All right, guys, have an awesome week. We'll see ya. Bye-bye. Bye.